Our collaboration with a Fortune 500 recycling company at Detroit's state-of-the-art MRF demonstrates comprehensive lifecycle coordination. Utilizing building information modeling and virtual design construction methodologies from initial concept through installation, we streamline timelines, minimize unforeseen conflicts, and deliver a more efficient, productive, and fully documented facility that is faster to commissioning and operation. Central to our approach is the Common Data Environment, or CDE. This unified platform connects all stakeholders, including vendors and subcontractors, enabling real-time collaboration, issue identification, and streamlined resolution. No more version confusion, departmental silos, or fragmented communication. All equipment components and utility system are meticulously placed and evaluated within the 3D model, ensuring all elements integrate seamlessly. Early identification of layout issues prevents costly and time-consuming on-site adjustments. Through 3D programmatic clash detection, issues are identified, assigned, and resolved effectively within the common data environment. Each issue is trackable from identification to assignment until resolution, ensuring clarity and accountability across all vendors and stakeholders. Performing VDC before bidding delivers precise quantity takeoffs directly from the model, enhancing bid accuracy and minimizing guesswork. Clear 3D information documentation and conceptual design expedites procurement and improves fabrication alignment from day one. Detailed fabrication and installation drawings derived from the coordinated 3D model inside the common data environment ensure consistent documentation. On-site teams and fabricators work from a unified project origin and accurate sources, accelerating installation and commissioning. Time-sequenced installation simulates and guides efficient trade coordination and execution planning. Clearly defined weekly milestones reduce crew downtime, ensuring all vendors, field crews, contractors, and equipment providers understand the sequence and dependencies of tasks, offering Fortune 500 recycling company project managers and engineers higher levels of accountability on the project. During installation, BIM models extend their value on-site through intuitive field applications and augmented reality. This enables real-time verification and immediate communication of field conditions back to the site designers through the common data environment, enhancing flexibility and reducing delays. Post-installation, the model continues to add value by delivering comprehensive closeout documentation. This ensures ongoing operational clarity, safety compliance, and efficient management throughout the facility's lifecycle. From initial design to final commissioning, OAR ensures exceptional detail, clarity, and trustworthiness. Partner with us to accelerate your project's design, coordination, and installation.